Instructions for Week 11, Module 9, Multi-Application Conversion 1. Open the Word document, the PowerPoint, and the Excel documents and save them. Before you save the Excel document, choose Page Layout, Themes, and select a theme. I'm going to go with Integral. And then go ahead and save and close. And in Word, for the subtitle, type your name. And also go into Design, into More Options, and choose the same theme that you did in the Excel. Save and close. In the Word document, also select Design, Themes, and go with the same theme. And be in the cursor immediately above the first paragraph under the word art, and choose Insert, Object, From Text, Browse, and you're going to look for the PowerPoint assignment that you just saved. Click Link to File and OK. Scroll down. In between the two paragraphs, we'll put the Excel spreadsheet. So again, Insert, Object, Create from File. Go ahead and browse to where you just saved it. Link to File and OK. Double click the Excel spreadsheet so it takes you to an Excel. And then select with the open plus all of the cells. Control C for copy, and then just click behind Excel to go back to Word. And then the first thing we'll do is we'll put Life in the Modern World on its own page. Control Enter, Control End, and this is where we'll put the pie chart. So Insert, Chart, Pie, 3D, and OK. This is a sampling of just to get you started where you'd put your own information in. So click in A1 and Control V will paste the information that you just copied from the Excel spreadsheet. And then I'm going to choose style 3 that has more information in it. And before I leave here, I'm going to change the online shopping to 26%. Then when I press Enter, it'll update the shopping here, the online shopping, which is the blue, from 7 to 26%, and then close out of here or just click in Word. Up in the online shopping for this one, you'll double click so it takes you to Excel and change that to 26, the online shopping, and enter, and then come back to Word. And it didn't update it. You have to right click and choose Update Link. And now it's 26. So in the end, if you view both documents, you'll have a title, the first slide from the PowerPoint, and if you double click it, it'll actually take you into the slide show presentation. You have a Excel database worksheet, and then you have a pie chart based on the same information. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.